Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure QuickBooks Online to sync invoices with HubSpot, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Ensure that you have administrative access to both QuickBooks Online and HubSpot. Next, open a new browser tab and log into your HubSpot account. Now, navigate to your HubSpot dashboard. In HubSpot, locate the settings gear icon at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. Scroll down the left sidebar and find the Integrations option. Click on the Integrations and then select Connected Apps. Look for the QuickBooks Online integration and click on it. If you haven't connected QuickBooks yet, click on the Connect App button. You will be redirected to a QuickBooks login page. Enter your QuickBooks Online credentials and sign in. Grant the necessary permissions for HubSpot to access your QuickBooks data. Once connected, return to your HubSpot dashboard. From here, choose the invoice settings in the QuickBooks integration panel. You will now see options to sync invoices between HubSpot and QuickBooks. Select the relevant options that suit your business needs. You can choose to sync all invoices or only specific ones. Make sure to map fields correctly, such as customer name and invoice amount. After configuring the preferences, click on the Save Settings button. Now, navigate back to your QuickBooks Online account. Verify that the sync is working by checking for new invoices in QuickBooks. If any adjustments are needed, revisit the integration settings in HubSpot. To test the sync, create a new invoice in HubSpot. Monitor your QuickBooks account to see if the invoice appears there. Ensure that the data is accurate and matches your expectations. If you encounter any issues, troubleshoot the integration settings. Review HubSpot and QuickBooks documentation for potential resolutions. Once you have confirmed that everything is syncing properly, you're all set. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.